Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use the FillSchema method to retrieve the schema information from DB. So that means we fetch only the schema information from DB and we will skip the data rows. Now let's look at the FillSchema method. DataAdapter provides FillSchema method to populate only the schema information in the data table, right? So this method will not fetch the table rows from the database. This will save time as we skip the data part. Since we are not fetching the data from the data table, and since we are fetching only the schema information, the call will be fast here. Now let us fetch only the schema information from the database, and the modified code is below. We have DataAdapter, right? And we will create the data set. After that, instead of fill, we will use adapter.FillSchema method. We pass data set and then we will pass the enumeration constant schema type.source. Now let's go to the demo and see how this is working. So here we are using the adapter.fill, right? We will modify that with adapter.FillSchema, and we can pass the data set as well as schema type.source enumeration constant. Rest will be same, and now let's test this. If you see, this time we are not retrieving the data rows, we retrieve only the schema information, and we get all the required information using that FillSchema method. Right? That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.